Hi everyone, here we've got OUKITEL WP5 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the fourth position, which is the battery. Here we've got the battery percentage option, and right now it is turned off because we can only see the battery icon, and in order to turn it on, just tap on the switch on it. And I'm not really sure if you will be able to notice that, but right after touching on the switcher, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery inside the battery icon. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar and actually in the battery icon. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on the switcher again, but let me leave it like this. So actually that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.